Yes, the other day I washed my hair, blow dried it like usual, and it was not behaving. It felt coarse, it was dry, it wasn't straightening. I really couldn't work out what it was. I mean, I could tell that the rain was coming, but normally my hair's okay, sometimes I've had issues. So I thought to myself, anyway, that's not what I didn't do it straight away. Over the course of the next day, my hair got worse. I noticed breakage and I thought, oh my God, what am I doing? Like, what have I done to my hair? So I thought about the fact that a few months ago I straightened my hair myself. So I'm very proud of that. And then thought, oh my God, maybe I've just damaged it. I didn't want my hair to fall off again. So then I started to think about what I've heard, like, your hair has like a pH. There's a chemistry behind hair. All hairdressers would know that. So then I started to think a bit more and I decided that I was going to use apple cider vinegar to put through my hair because I know that helps. The proportions that I used was 1 part vinegar and 10 parts water, put it in a spray bottle, sprayed it over my hair, and I just gave my hair a light blow dry, straightened it a bit, and it bounced back straight away. So why did it work? Everything has a pH. Hair has a pH, our skin has a pH. The pH on the outside of our bodies are different to the pH inside our bodies. Now, what is a pH, right? A pH is basically the alkalinity acidity scale. So it goes from 0 to 14. Just to put things in perspective, we have stomach acid that sits at 1 and bleach that sits at 13, I think. Water is neutral, so that sits at number 7. Now, our hair sits at around 3.6. So, and when your hair is at 3.6, it's soft, it's shiny, it's manageable, it's spot on, right? If your hair drops lower than that or is higher than that, it's not very good for your hair. Your hair becomes dry, brittle, rough. The reason why it's rough is because the cuticle sits up and when you touch it, you can feel it, so it doesn't feel that nice. It's a bit like, I don't know, steel wool. Oh, that's the closest I can think of. It's something like that, it's not nice. Once you put the apple cider vinegar in there, it drops the pH. And when you drop the pH in your hair and you get it into that normal place where your hair is at its healthiest, the cuticle sits flat, nice and flat. So when it's flat, it means it's going to reflect light. So you end up with shiny hair, it becomes manageable, you get the perfect hair. So in actual fact, the apple cider vinegar mixed with water you could say that it's almost like a miracle cure for your hair, but you have to be careful how much you use it, and you can't use it all the time. It's purely to put your hair back into balance. That's my belief anyway. I don't know. Is there any other belief? If you use it too much, will it work the other way? Because remember, we're only trying to create balance. Our bodies are homeostatic, so we are pretty much into the balance thing, right? So with apple cider vinegar, an interesting product, it can work differently inside our bodies. So inside our bodies, it's very important for it to be alkaline. So it can help bring down the pH, or bring up the pH, whatever it does. So you create a more alkaline environment. Why is that good? Because our bodies work better. We are able to, when our bodies are more alkaline, we are able to digest our food better, less bloating, you can lose body fat. actually puts our body into a good place. Now, this is the kind of stuff you like to hear about, like and subscribe to my channel because I'd love to have you. And if you like hearing about things that improve you, I'm also into extreme beauty, you know, like, I just had a brain fart. Beauty, you know, regimes, I do them. So yeah, love to have you like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy.